If you're shopping for a robot vacuum cleaner right now, you may notice a big variation in pricing depending on brands and of course depending on your features. There are a lot of variables to think about. One of the main brands out there is Roborock, as they're one of the biggest names in robot vacuums. I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja, and if you don't know already, I know my way around a robot vacuum or two. In this video, I'll talk to you about two of the latest robot vacuums that are at two different prices, and I'll break down which one is good for you. Big thanks to Roborock for sponsoring this video and sending them out so I can do this comparison. So which one is the right choice for you? The Roborock Q Revo Pro or the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra? Let's wrap this up in very simple terms. Roborock Q Revo Pro is the value hero. If price is the major factor, then most likely you'll land here. The Q Revo Pro is for everyday vacuuming. It's great if you have hard floors. It offers tremendous cleaning prowess. It vacuums well. It mops excellent. You have these like dual spinning pads, and that is really good for those sticky messes, and you can see it really mop that stuff up. And also it takes care of its own maintenance because it has that advanced dock. You can even run it when everyone is home because it runs quietly and it still picks up cereal and pet hair off the floor without people complaining. And the Revo isn't the most powerful for all the stubborn messes. Because of its suction power, I think it does better on flooring than actual carpet, and I'll show you that a little bit later in the video. It automatically empties the dustbin and washes the mops pad back at the docking station, and so you don't have to be hands-on all of the time. It sort of has like a little bath for the mop pads that you can see here, and I think it does a pretty good job at keeping them clean. The Revo Pro will likely meet all of your needs while leaving an extra chunk of money in your pocket. But let's say you want a powerhouse vacuum and price is not a problem, then you want to take a look at the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. Once you map the house and it has the floor plan, there is not much else you have to do afterwards. It has a lot of AI baked into it. I know AI is like sort of a buzzword now, but it really does matter on this vacuum. If you have deep carpets, if you have pet hair, or if you just have pets in general, this is a great robot vacuum. All right, let's test cleaning the carpet. This is not the cleanest carpet around. It's been through a lot already, but we're gonna go ahead and put different things in there. We're gonna do oatmeal, do hair and things like that. And we're gonna see how these robots compare cleaning up this carpet. The S8 MaxV Ultra Vac is the no compromise powerhouse. You just tell it to do its thing and it does it with its AI navigation built in. You don't really have to worry about cables getting in the way or anything like that. It truly sees everything. As you can see here, when I set up a bunch of toys, it just made its way around everything without touching it. And also, since it has AI clean, it adjusts the water, it adjusts the suction power, anything on the fly automatically. You don't have to change any settings at all. It starts to memorize your house and starts to learn what works best in certain areas, and it's really a treat to use. And then it also has like strong vacuum suction when it needs to crank up, and it gets in those deep carpets. As you can see here, I have this carpet with this really high ply, a lot of stuff I put in there, and it got it out. And there's some other vacuums out there that do a pretty good job, but the pet hair is really tough for it. And I don't have a pet, but I have a child with very long hair, and I was putting some hair in the carpet to really test it out. And the S8 Max Ultra Vac absolutely gobbles up that hair without a problem. So I just got done running it on the AI clean setting. You remember, I put a lot of stuff in here. I put sprinkles, I put chia seeds and everything, and look at this. There's nothing. It's a couple little pieces that kind of fell off. Not a big deal because I really caked it up, and you know, I don't think anyone's carpet will be that dirty. And also the hair that I put here is gone as well. So look at that. I mean, look at this carpet. This is, you can even see the lines here too. You can see how strong that suction power was all the way through. The FlexiArm reaches to get into corners, and it also has the edgewise mop that gets into the corners when mopping too. It works really well in busy households. It can avoid things in its path because of the reactive AI 2.0 obstacle recognition system. And it does handle these things much more gracefully than the Q. Instead of bumping into things and sort of backing up, it just avoids it completely. And of course, when it's done, it goes back into the docking station, and just like everything else, it auto empties into the dust bag, so you don't have to worry about that. And also it cleans the mop as well with hot water that will keep it fresh next time you need to use it. And also there is a fun side to this vacuum, but I feel like even though it's fun, there is a use for it. You can activate the camera that's built into the robot vacuum and actually look into the camera. You could drive it around your house and you can look at things, like you can just check some stuff out. You can sneak up on your pets or your kids or anything like that. Just kind of a fun little extra thing that it has. It also has 2 microphones and a LiDAR camera, and thanks to the mic, you can use voice commands to control the vacuum. Hey Rocky.
I'm here.
Clean here.
I am trying to find you. Stay there and wait a moment. I have found you and will start cleaning immediately.
Whoa.
You can step aside for a moment.
Okay.
Starting spot cleaning.
But you definitely have to pay for these features, and with current deals, it is more obtainable, but it's still the pricier machine. But I will always put the best pricing available in the description below. So to sum it up, if you're on a tighter budget but want a casual helper, go with the Q. If you have pets in a busy home environment, the S8 MaxV Ultra is a great choice. Now, I truly hope this deep dive helped you figure out which Roborock suits your home best. Remember to check out the description for the latest Black Friday pricing or any discounts at the time of filming. And these deals always change, so check early and often as well. Thank you so much for watching this comparison. If you found it helpful, hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing for more smart home videos. Good luck with your choice, and until next time, Kevin the Tech Ninja. Peace.